Well, back at you here, Shetty. Going to check out the G2 buck. Like I said, we were just sitting over there looking at this dog skull. I looked across the little murky water here and saw a dead buck laying in the little creek bottom. It's not even a creek bottom, but it's a little bit of water. I think there's a little creek over there, but anyway, we're out looking for some morels, or out calling the turkeys, and now we're out looking for morels, and now we're finding dead deer in my woods. So there we go. Here's this split G2 that I had on camera. Well, yeah. Well, he looks like the same guy anyway. Wow, he's just a young buck. Didn't make it. Coyotes got him, or some hunter got him and didn't recover him. Yeah, and I was wondering where his sheds were all season long. And I guess, you know, that shows why I never found him. But yeah, he's a young buck, not too old. But yeah, there he is. He's been sitting here a while too. He's probably been sitting here since hunting season, because he's already, you know, all chewed up, or all the meat off the bone, and antlers look pretty bleached, so I guess he's been here a little while. And I've walked right by him a few times. Actually never came down to this little area where I've always wanted to come look, but well, that's a shame. That's a poor shame. Oh, but I guess it's a good thing we've recovered him, one shape or form. But here he is. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 points. He's, like I said, I think he's only a 2.5-year-old, and I might have his shed from last year, but he's grown up quite a bit. But yeah, he's a nice, I would say, non-typical. Anyway, we'll take him back to the house. Thank you, Lord. Got us a little treasure. Man, he would have been a nice buck to have on your wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep. 14 point there. There. Take a few more pictures. Alright, well, y'all have a blessed Easter morning. Good luck hunting. Alright. Let's Shetty out.